In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix it when your Xbox gives you an error saying 4K doesn't work on your TV even though you have 4K. So we're going to go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Then we're going to select TV and display options. And if I show you my resolution right now, it's on 1080p and only goes up to 1440p. So first, you want to check under advanced video modes that you have allow 4K enabled. And when you try and do this, you might get this error 4K won't work on your TV. So what do? Well, close out, and we're going to go back, and then we're going to go to video fidelity and overscan. And you want to ensure your display isn't on HDMI, but rather auto detect, which is recommended. So when you do that, it's going to change back. And then from here, we're going to go back and go back to video modes. And then we're going to allow 4K and it should work. Now, if this works, you can go to keep, and then you just want to simply go back to resolution, and then we're going to enable 4K Ultra HD. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.